automating a pickup cycle on a Wire EDM. Okay guys, here's a real simple part. Putting in this part here, you see a couple holes. We're gonna make this part right here basically. So we just clamp this in. We're gonna wanna align this, pick up the middle this way, pick up the middle this way. And as many of you might know, in EDM, this would be quite a few pickups. And of course you wanna measure twice, cut once. So we got the verification and stuff. And you're standing around next to a machine waiting for all this to happen, putting in commands, hopefully you don't forget something, etc, etc, etc. One of the things I love about these Xiaomi P machines is I can easily program some stuff here. So actually when you use one of the measurement commands, such as this one here, external measure, you get all these parameters automatically fill up. Such as, see, if I have this right here is external measure and I click on it, boom, there's the command. I just copy that, I put it up in my program, we're good to go. So why don't we check this out? I'll show you how it kind of runs. I do have 2 points, a 0.1 and a 0.2, and basically point 1 is over here, point 2 is over here. It's going to do a middle this way, kind of zero the axis, zero XY 0, set my rotation to 0. Is going to come over here, do another middle find, and it's going to do the arc tangent and get the rotation, and then it's going to measure 0 this way, and then it's going to go and check 0 this way and 0 this way, and tell me that everything looks great. So a little 2-second improvement. I like doing this when I have multiple parts and I expect the job to repeat. Okay, let's check this in action. Doing a little maintenance on this door here. I had a sensor that was bad, so we have it wired so I can actually just run this. So we'll just show this to you. Going to 0.1. As you can see here in the operations, it went to 0.1. Now it's doing the middle find. So it's going to do the middle find, front and back. Again, this operation measuring will take probably 6, 7, 8 minutes with all the cuts and threads and measurements and shit. Kind of sucks, and that's why you want to be able to walk away from the machine and come on back after you've done something else, pull some slugs, did a little programming, set up another job, whatever. Let's check it out a little bit. Here we are doing another middle find on the other side. You can see that we are in the program here, and after that it's going to do calculation of arc tangent, calculate the rotation. We probably see right now that the rotation is equal to 0 here, and in a moment it will go and calculate that. So let's see how that goes. Went boom boom right through there real fast, and it has now done a calculation of rotation, minus 710, and now it's doing a middle find left to right, and it's going to hit that equal to X0. We'll check this out a little bit. Okay, the machine has picked up everything, and it's doing its first check, X0, Y0. You can see here, there's a check XY, X0, and a stop. When this center find is done, the machine will stop, and we should check that out. So here we go, cutting the wire. Again, this is a very long process. I've actually went and pulled some slugs on some other machines as I'm waiting for this, but this thing has continuously moved up until this point. Right now it is at a stop, as you see, and we have a little message that says check X0. So we go on over here and we see, oh, basically 0. So we like that number. We hit the start button, and it's going to go and do a similar check in the Y direction here, and then it will stop and we'll check that. So thanks for watching. Just what we do to try to make sure we're getting parts right and doing them as efficiently as possible so we can get more shit done.